Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this episode, we will be covering HTML injection or content injection using HTML vulnerability. This is a P4 vulnerability, and sometimes some targets will demote it to P5 as well, as they consider this as a feature in their application. Still, this is a vulnerability. So if anytime you find this, you can uh, report it directly to the target as well. So basically, this is a similar kind of vulnerability to cross-site scripting, but in cross-site scripting we use JavaScript, but in HTML injection, obviously we use HTML. So we have to find input fields such as comment section or description box of posts or YouTube videos or anything which we can store some data. It can be your full name, last name, address, anything. So in this POC, I will be showing you how it looks as content injection. So this is a target, and if we try to inject a simple HTML code saying hack, this should not trigger HTML, but we can see that the text is coming as a H1 or header font, which is bold and big. So, and if I write this normally, it will be shown like this. But in if we use the HTML code, we can trigger it. Let's Let me copy it. See, and if we use H2 and H2 here, you can see that it's little bit smaller. So this is a example of HTML injection, and one more example I want to show you. Uh, this is another form of HTML injection. The payload is different. So we can see that the image is triggered in the content. So we can say that this vulnerability is present. This is a type of HTML injection. There can be multiple types of HTML injection, and you have to be precise about when while checking it. What I'm saying is that you can check HTML injection in multiple manner. For example, if you use the HTML payload in your full name, and whenever the target will send you an email, and if the email consists of your account name or your full name there, and most of the cases the payload will be triggered. So I will show you a POC regarding that. In this case, so this is a POC. We can see that as the full name and last name, we have used the HTML payloads, and the next we are signing up for the application. So when the sign up is done, we can see that we are redirected to our main account dashboard. So uh, you can see that the name is successfully there. We can try so in this type of HTML injection, you have to find ways through which the company or the company will send you an email. You can try on forget password, or you can try on or signing up for their newsletters. So using this, you can try checking if the payload is executed in other uh, other endpoints other than the main website. So we can see that the payload is not uh, executed or triggered in the application dashboard. But as soon as we log out from the application and we try to send an email from the target to our email, um, just a moment. So as we try sending it, we can see that we have received an email, and the payload is triggered. So this type of HTML injection is known as email HTML injection, and this will be counted as a P4 vulnerability for sure. If you can find this, you will be rewarded easily over $100. So yeah, this is a quite easy vulnerability, and that's it for this video. I hope I see you in the next video, and bye bye till then.